This little package contains magic that'll keep your garbage disposal from stinking to a breath of fresh air in a matter of minutes. I'll show you how now. If you don't like stinky sinks, hit the like button right now. Let's try for 11 likes on this video. Let's go. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and check the description down below and order this year's supply of this garbage disposal cleaning here for you. And check out this. Here's one that we're going to be using today, the active disposal cleaner for you. And you do get 24 inside of here. You're going to use about every 2 weeks. Now let's go ahead and show you guys how to go ahead and use this here. And I use this every 2 weeks on my own sink to keep it nice and clean. First thing we need to do is go ahead and heat up the disposal by running hot water through it for 1 minute to loosen up all of that gunk. Now let's reduce the hot water to a small stream, about a pencil width or less, and move the water away from the drain. This water is going to activate our magic cleaner and allow it to foam inside of the disposal. You only need 1 tablet for this clean. You might need to use 2 if you feel your drain needs additional cleaning. So let's take it out of the package and get ready to remove that stank. Now just add the tablet or 2 tablets directly into the garbage disposal. Now turn on the disposal and let it run for 1 full minute. You may or may not see the foam that comes out of there, but it is working on the inside of your garbage disposal. After 1 minute, you can go ahead and turn it off. If any foam came out of your sink, you can actually just go ahead and just hose it down back into your drain. I appreciate you hanging out all the way until the end of the video here. If you enjoy that, make sure you guys also hit the subscribe button, please and thank you. And also check out these other videos too as well. And stay tuned, I have something special for you guys with that. If you don't like stinky sheets, if you don't like stinky sinks,